sure how to say this. Seriously trying to erase this.
Hey guys, morning, afternoon, whatever time you're watching, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, it's a little bit different because today we will be doing an unboxing video, and I haven't done this kind of video. As in, first time kong gagawin to sa channel ko. And para maiba naman, hindi puro normal try-on haul. Para makita nyo rin talaga yung actual na mga clothes na nakukuha ko right outside from its packaging. And wala akong alter na gagawin dito. As in, kung ano yung ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, yun at yun na yun. Belated Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Dahil itong video na to, ginagawa ko siya right now on New Year's Eve. Kasi wala lang, nag-aantay lang ako ng countdown and wala naman akong magawa. So sabi ko, why not let's film a video? If you've been following me on my IG, alam nyo yan na ito yung suot ko on New Year's Eve. Ayan, naglagay lang ako ng parang Viva Magenta type of lipstick. Tapos nag-silver lang ako na look. So, yan lang ang aurahan natin. I don't know kung kailan nyo ito mapapanood guys because I've been really busy the past few weeks and the next few weeks dahil syempre back to school and everything, and ang daming nakatambak na mga upcoming vlogs and mga content na ginagawa ko. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung kailan ko man ito ma-upload dahil medyo late na siya. For today, I will be featuring the Rihoas brand. I don't know if familiar kayo doon dahil first time ko lang din marinig yun. So yeah, I will be unboxing these. Meron tayong dalawang packages from them. But before we proceed to the actual video, of course, please support my small business, which is Decent Fragrances. Alam niyo naman yan sa mga active viewers ko dyan. Alam niyo na yan. Paulit-ulit ko na yan sinasabi sa inyo. Available kami sa Shopee for cash on delivery. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop onto the video. Saan ko muna itong isa. Ayan. I'm really excited. Ang tagal kong inantay na bago ko mabuksan to kasi kailangan ko muna nga i-film dahil unboxing video nga. Titignan natin kung marami pa ba tayong alterations na gagawin for this one. Since this one is an unboxing video, this is no way in particular order. Kung ano man yung makuha ko, yun na agad yung ipapakita ko, and I will share my insights with you guys. And of course, meron din tayong try-on video for this one, guys, para makikita nyo talaga on actual. So let's start off with this bag. Ooh! So, ayun siya. Meron siyang kasamang dust bag. So, ito yung bag na nakuha ko na isa. Ay, ang ganda niya. Meron siyang parang material ng parang canvas. And I really love the leather. So, ayan. Hindi pa siya na-assemble. So, this is what it looks like on the inside. Ayan. So, kabit ko muna to guys. Wait lang. Super cute na itong baguette bag na to. I really like it. Ayan siya. So, ililink ko naman everything down in the description if you are interested. And I really love na very high quality yung leather niya. In fairness since hindi ako familiar sa brand na to na Rihoas, well, now they're giving me a very nice impression talaga na very premium quality talaga yung mga products nila. Pero let's not get our hopes up dahil marami pa tayong i-unbox dahil ito pa lang yung first one na nakuha natin from them. Very spacious siya. Hindi ko akalain kasi dun sa website, parang ang liit niya tignan. So, I feel like ma-abuse ko tong bag na to. Now, up next, we have here another bag. And let's open it. Ooh, eto tama lang yung size niya. Ito yung karamihan na, ang ganda! Girl! I like it. Tama lang yung size niya. For me, ito yung mga tipo ng small bags na gusto ko or lagi kong ginagamit. So, meron siyang kasamang strap. That's a good thing. Especially if tamad ka ng mag-handbag. Pinaka-handle niya is wood. I really like it. Perfect sa mga beach outfits natin. Very high quality. So, now I could say that the Rihoas brand, talagang medyo pricey sila. Pero I now get it kung bakit ganun sila ka-pricey. I love it. As you can see naman, very nice siya. It's not your typical white-ish. It's kind of like a beige off-white kind in color. It's more brighter and more whiter on camera. But I swear in person, medyo on the beige apricot-ish siya in color. Ziplock yung packaging niya para mabilis nyo lang din siya ma-reuse and magamit pa sa mga ibang bagay. So, for our next item, ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman na very premium feels dahil meron agad kasamang mga extra buttons just in case na may matanggal. Velvet material, yung pinaka-black na color niya. And I really love velvet, especially when it comes to the color black because I know na hindi siya mabilis mag-fade. Never ko pa siya na-try on, of course. First impression pa lang naman to. Ito para siyang cape, yung itsura niya. Cape na coat. Basta makikita niyo properly on the try-on, ipapakita ko naman dyan. Basta I'm so happy I got this one in the extra small. Really like it. Ang ganda neto, guys. Up next that we have in here is this green pants. I got it in the extra small, but I hope, dito ako kinakabahan kasi alam niyo naman ako, when it comes to pants or mga bottoms, usually talaga hindi nila nakukuha yung actual size ko. Kasi nga, petit ako and my size, waist size ko is 24, 25 usually sa pants. So, dito ako kinakabahan kasi baka ipa-alter ko pa to. Pero let's see, hopefully. So, it looks like this. And, wow! Hindi ko akalain kasi doon sa website, yung length niya doon sa model, parang mukha siyang bitin pants type of look. And ito, ang haba niya, girl. Malaki talaga yung sizing niya, even though I got it in the extra small. Let's see sa try-on ko talagang maluwag siya. Yung perfect green na gusto ko, kasi I've been eyeing a green pants. Up next for our next package, dahil ito medyo mas malaki siya. Okay. Let's open it up. Ito yung long sleeves. I remember getting this one. Siyang brighter blue on camera, pero in person medyo mas muted siya. This one is a silk blue na long sleeves. I got this one because, wala lang, gusto ko lang na medyo pa-conservative type of clothing pieces dahil karamihan ng kinukuha ko. Puro na lang hubadera and Rihoas. Ang dami niyang mga very minimalist, pero yet very premium feels yung mga clothing nila. Kaya I really went for this brand even though hindi ako familiar. Kasi sabi ko, by just me looking at sa website, alam kong very premium, very similar sa mga high-end brands. Itong type of silk na parang medyo may pagka-velvety finish siya. So, very premium feels. I can't wait to try it on. So, I got it in the size extra small as well. So, ipapakita ko naman dyan sa try-on properly kung ano yung itsura niya, and meron siyang extra buttons just in case na meron akong may matanggal or may masira, so that's a very good thing. Ooh, parang alam ko na rin to. This one is another long sleeves. Ito siya. Alam ko kumuha ko ng another long sleeves kasi wala lang. Feeling ko lang kasi ang dami ko ng hubaderang clothing pieces. Nagkukulang na ako sa very conservative naman or very modest type of clothing, and Rihoas is the perfect brand for that. Ito medyo on the cropped side siya, pero kita niyo naman, very modest pa rin yung datingan niya. Grabe yung quality nito, guys. Ang kapal ng pagka-silk niya. This one is like a triple lining, parang triple lining siya, as you can see. Ayan. Ang kapal nito, guys, as in, ang ganda ng quality ng fabric niya. And look at this, meron siyang mga extra buttons. Natutuwa ako sa brand na to. Now I know why it's that expensive, kasi yung mga clothing pieces nila talagang 1,000 plus, 2,000 plus, pero hindi ko mag-gets. Parang feeling ko kasi pare-parehas lang. But now I know. Earth orange type of color. Still in the category of like an autumn kind of feels siya. Ito nakalimutan ko na kung ano to. Basta white siya. And ano to? Ano to? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Parang wala akong na-place order na ganito. Parang siyang long dress na white. Or baka namali lang sila ng bigay sa akin. Nako. Ayan siya. Hindi ko maintindihan. Kasi wala naman akong in-order na ganito. Or na-place na item sa kanila na ganito. Long dress siya na may slit sa likuran. You'll see it properly on the try-on. Tapos parang may v-neck siya. Detalye siya sa likuran. So, wala akong na-place order ng ganito. But yeah, definitely it's a surprise for me, and makikita natin yan mamaya sa try-on. Okay, up next naman, I remember this. Set siya, and I feel like ito yung pinakamahal yata na na-place ko kasi set to. Oh my gosh, ang ganda kasi fur siya. And this one is a fur set, black and gold ang atake ni ate girl. And I think this one is a free size lang. Ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda niya. And then the buttons. Look at the buttons. It's giving me that old rich vibes. Ito lang sa skirt tayo. Kailangan ko i-alter to for sure. And ayan siya. Meron siyang mga gold, I don't know, parang gold details din at the bottom. Pero I'll figure it out how to alter this one. Madali naman itong i-downsize sa sewing machine ko. But the quality, super nice. I'm really happy and amazed with the quality. Up next naman, oh, I remember getting this, and this one is a white pants. Another white pants. Pero medyo may pagka-off-white siya. Na meron siyang kasamang belt. That's why I got it. And ito medyo skinny siya. Medyo slim fit yung datingan niya. Pero maluwag pa rin to for sure sa akin. Kasi payat nga talaga ako, guys. And the length is super nice. Very generous talaga sila sa length ng pants nila. Mas gusto ko na yun, yung mas mahaba. Kesa yung bitin, kasi mas mapapa-alter mo, magagawa mo pa ng paraan if mahaba, diba? So, ito, may pagka-apricot-ish in color siya. Hindi siya totally white na white, which is, I love, that's why I got it. Kasi meron naman akong mga white pants na talaga. Yeah, but we'll see when we try it on. Pero for now, I really like it. And hands down sa quality ng pants nila. I think this one is the last item. And I don't know kung may kulang ba dun sa mga kinuha ko. This one is another bag. And ito yung gusto ko kasi, oh gosh, ang ganda ng quality. Grabe, kita nyo naman yung, may just me holding it. Walang kahit anong lukot or anything. Napaka-pulido nung bag na to. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. So, I think I got this one because gusto ko lang ng black na bag na makumuha from them. And hindi ako nagsisi because this will be my go-to bag. Meron siyang kasamang strap pero let me figure this out. Ayan, I think ito tama yung ginawa ko. This one is for the baguette bag. Super ganda niya kasi ang ganda ng quality niya. Alam niyo, ito yung mga tipo ng bags na even though very plain, simple, minimalist yung design niya, pero alam niyo na high quality and maganda siya because of its like the leather material. Kita niyo naman kung gaano siya ka-high quality and I really can't wait to use it. Ito yung mga tipo ng go-to bag ko for now. Grabe, ang ganda. Hindi ako nagsisi sa mga bags nila. Hindi ako na-disappoint sa mga bags nila. And even naman sa quality ng mga clothing pieces nila, ang gaganda naman talaga. Very premium. So, Rihoas, now I know that you're a premium brand when in terms of like your clothing piece and your items and your products. So yeah, that's about it for our video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And thank you so much, Rihoas, for sponsoring this video and collaborating with me. I really loved your products. And definitely, maybe soon, magre-repurchase ako ng mga ibang items nyo because you really get what you paid for. That's what I would say talaga in terms of this haul. Very high quality and premium feels talaga yung mga clothing and bags nila. So yeah. And also please do not forget to use my code, exclusive code from Rihoas. Ayan, para maka-discount kayo upon purchasing kung meron naman kayong magustuhan dito sa haul na to. And of course, everything will be linked down in the description. So if you're interested, just check it out, guys. And of course, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!